Hi everybody, I'm going to record you a short lesson now for your English work on Friday the 3rd of July. Now you will be able to see what I've got on my screen, and that's what I want to go through with you. You won't be able to see me, you'll just be able to hear my voice. So on the school website you'll see this here. Now this is the instructions that I'm going to go through with you today on this video. Those are on the website along with your new booklet. Now over the past couple of weeks we've looked at the truth about trolls and we've completed that booklet, so we're now going to move on to a new Talk for Writing booklet. And the one that we're going to look at is this one, Journey to the Jungle. And we're going to start off, if we look at our instructions, first read the introduction on page 2. So let's scroll down to page 2. There's page 1, page 2. So we meet this new person here. I'm your explorer and guide, so let's get on and discover new lands together. Welcome to my world of exploring. You'll find lots of fun things to work through that will help you with your writing skills and build on the work you do at school. Do you know The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe, the story of Peter, Susan, Edmund and Lucy who discover the world of Narnia through the back of a wardrobe? And here there's a link to the internet that will show you the type of things that they discover in Narnia with Lucy. So if you click on that link you can watch the video. So I'll give you, if you want to pause this video, I'll give you a couple of minutes to look through that video, click on that link, watch the video, and then you can press play again on this video and I'll continue to explain to you about what I want you to do. So, brilliant, you've watched that video. It's a story about a young girl who is hiding from her siblings and she enters a wardrobe, and as she walks further back in the wardrobe she ends up in a new mysterious land. Once you've watched that video, we'll look here, after that finish reading page 2. So let's go down and I'll continue reading on. So, would you believe me if I told you that I have a wardrobe that takes me to magical places? I have been a jungle explorer for many years. I've explored the cloud jungle in Peru, the wild jungles of Borneo, and even the ancient Waipawa forest in New Zealand. However, 6 years ago, I bought a beautiful wardrobe at a market, and when I got it home, I discovered that it was not just beautiful, but magical too. Every week on a Sunday evening, if I step into the wardrobe, I'm transported to a magical jungle that is out of this world. Come and discover these new lands with me. Visiting a jungle. Exploring jungles is very exciting. Every time I go through my wardrobe and discover a new one, I write in my jungle log. It is a bit like a diary, and it is where I write down what has happened on my visits. Here is the entry from my visit to the Atlantic jungle in Borneo, at an amazing place where the sky is yellow and the soil is pink. If we scroll down and we look at our instructions, it says, next click on the link at the top of page 3 and listen to the jungle log being read to you, or read the text on page 3 yourself. So at the top here, just like the truth about trolls, if you click on that link, this jungle log will be read to you, or you can read it yourself. So if you want to pause this video and then click on the link in the booklet, and you can have that read to you, and then come back and press play and we'll continue going through our work. Excellent work. Now we're going to look at next, then read what do the words mean on page 4. So I've scrolled down in the booklet to page 4. What do the words mean? let's take a look at the meaning of some of the words in my diary. So all these words were in the diary entry that you've just heard. So we've got discovery, something that is found or learned for the first time. Trek, a long challenging journey on foot. Sturdy, strong and solid. Trudge, to walk slowly. Circumference, the distance around something circular. Dense, packed together with not much space around. Mesmerizing, something that holds your complete attention. Turquoise, a greenish blue colour. Once you've done that, if you look at the instructions, after that complete the use an example task on page 4 by drawing a picture in each box to represent the word. So your first activity that I want you to complete is looking at this use an example. And what I want you to do is you need to look at the definition above, draw a picture in each box below that could represent the word in the box. So it says sturdy, so it wants you to draw a picture for the definition of sturdy. Same with trudge, dense and mesmerising. If you pause the video and complete the activity, then you can press play and we'll continue on with what I would like you to do today. So after you have completed that activity, we're on to the last part of what I want you to do today. So lastly, complete the which synonym task on page 5 by matching the words at the bottom of the table to the correct synonym in the table. Write any other synonyms for those words in the table also. So looking at the table. Which synonyms? Synonyms are words with the same or similar meanings. Match the synonyms below this table to the target words. Can you find any more synonyms to add to the table? So here's your table, here's your target word. And at the bottom here, you've got some synonyms. So you need to, a synonym is something, a word that is similar to that. So for example, we've got here discovery, trek, sturdy, trudge. These are all the words you're going to look for. And if we were taking the word turquoise, well, it explained that turquoise was a blue-green colour. So we look at the target words at the bottom and we find blue-green and we can write that there. Now, if you have any other synonyms for those words, please write them in yourself. You could use a thesaurus to help you. That might give you some synonyms as well. But that's the final activity that I would like you to complete today. And we look forward to reading them. And we're going to use this booklet for the next couple of weeks. Okay? We look forward to reading your work. Bye, everybody.